Hello, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix OBS starting the output filed error. Now, this is a very common problem on OBS. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can fix this. Very simple. You just need to go to your OBS, then you want to click on settings. Okay, so after you click on settings, what you need to do is I'm going to click here, just click on output here. Okay, click on output, and then here you will be able to see video encoder. Under the streaming, just change it to software. Okay, just change video encoder from hardware to software. The same thing with recording, change it from video encoder, change it from hardware to software. Okay, in the recording section. After that, you want to click on apply. Okay, that's all you need to do. Now, if this doesn't work, let me show you another way. Okay, let me just change this. I'm going to click on cancel. Then I'm going to show you another way. Search here for device manager. In the search, click on it. Then you want to find here display adapters. Now you want to find your graphic here, NVIDIA, and then click on update driver. Then click search automatically for drivers. After that, you want to do the same thing with this graphics 630. Any graphics you have here, right click, then click update driver, click the same thing, then click here. Then after that, close everything and see if the problem is fixed or not. Make sure, of course, you want to close OBS and open it again. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and see you in the next tutorial.